Hanggang ngayon, humihingi pa rin po ng hustisya ang mga biktima ng karumal-dumal na August 23 hostage taking. Yan po antayin na ilang kamag-anak na mga nasawi. At panawagan nila kay Pangulong Noynoy Aquino mismo. Higit pa nila, sundin yung original na rekomendasyon ng Incident Investigation and Review Committee o IIRC. Ilan daw kasing mga dapat managot sa nasabing insidente hindi naman nabigyan ng karampatang parusa. Yan natin pag-usapan kasama si Professor Winnie Monson. Paring Winnie, ito yung unang-unang KKK di ba?
Oo nga well, binabasa ko yung main recommendations ng IIRC. At saka yung final decision ni
Secretary
Pinoy. Hindi,
ni Pinoy.
Ay, siyempre.
Ni-review nila Executive Secretary.
Unang-una si General Bersosa, not even mentioned at all. Kasi ang IIRC sinabi si General Bersosa must be investigated and administrative proceedings, all right, is recommended for less grave neglect of duty, etc. Tapos yung isa pa na talagang halatang-halata is Undersecretary Puno. Because that was the second name mentioned by IIRC sa kanilang, "Good morning mga kapuso." I forgot to say it.
Sino nakita mo?
I forgot to say it.
Good morning.
Nagdiretso na tayo.
Siyempre.
Irico Puno, etc. And of course, hanggang ngayon, ang sinabi ni, talagang halatang-halata na downgrade yung mga recommendation. Di ba? That was our first
interview.
Hindi parang our first, medyo mali yata. Yun, hindi yata
Di ba tinanong natin Secretary De Lima rito sa Talakay kung nag-isip ba siyang mag-resign na lang?
Yeah, I remember because it was so obvious, pero she decided, I guess, na basta rin-recommenda niya, syempre bahala na si President. Yeah, pero doon tayo na unang nagduda na meron bang daan na tuwid yan o meron bang...
sino ba talaga Secretary ng DILG?
Yes. Tapos ang ginawa ni Presidente, ang hirap doon, the IIRC did not mention anything about Jesse Robredo. And yet, sabi ni Presidente, sabi ni Presidente, I have set, Robredo and Puno down and they must act as one. Yung in other words, embes na kinagalitan si Puno, abay kinagalitan si Puno at si Robredo. Tapos
magkasundo kayo.
Magkasundo. So it's not very good. So, that's the first one, the downgrading of that charges. The second one is hanggang ngayon, wala pang nangyayari. Hindi, nasa NAPOLCOM pa. Ayun ang sinabi ni Presidente Noynoy let the NAPOLCOM take care of yung mga police.
Si General Magtibay, ang nasa NAPOLCOM.
Sino ba yun?
Yung dating hepe ng Manila Police District.
Well, hindi ko alam kung why it's taking so long. At saka kay Mayor Lim, at saka kay Vice Mayor...
Isko Moreno.
Si Isko Moreno. What's his real name? Romagoso yata or something like that.
Artista kasi siya.
Well, hanggang ngayon, why should it take so long? It's just an administrative procedure. Hindi naman nasa korte yun di ba? An administrative procedure takes less evidence, etc., etc.
Yung ombudsman yun, medyo natanggal yata yun.
Si Emilio Gonzalez?
Di ba siya yung...
hindi, ano ka pa? Hindi ba? Si Emilio Gonzalez, sabi ni Merceditas Gutierrez, but it was Noynoy who suspended him. It was Merceditas herself, the ombudsman, cleared him. Cleared Gonzalez, hindi ba? Ayun.
Kasi nagpunta pa si Isko dun kay Merceditas.
And as a matter of fact, pati yung IIRC, parang gustong kasuhan si Merceditas Gutierrez except ombudsman. Kaya, ang recommendation niya, ibigay na lang sa House of Representatives for possible impeachment proceedings. So, let's find out 1 year after the fact, is Senator Robredo,
baka.
Secretary Robredo, okay na ba siya with Puno? Ano ang nangyayari doon?
Tahimik si Puno.
Yeah, but Puno's brother is the close-in of Pinoy, di ba?
Yes.
You told me. Is the close-in.
Yung nandun lagi sa likod niya.
Mukhang very, very tight yung circle na yun. And second, bakit ba ang tagal-tagal? Andiyan naman si Secretary Robredo.
Wala
Wala.
May sakit na naman daw pag tayo...
Naku, ano ba naman, Secretary Robredo? We have to do things,
Okay, pero eto, Maring Winnie, di ba, ang laging hinihingi, wala palang apology? Kailangan ba mag-apologize ang gobyerno ng Pilipinas. Yun ang hinihingi ng mga biktimang nandito ngayon eh. Hanggang ngayon, wala rin sila naririnig na apology mula sa...
Well, do you recall nung hindi ba naggalit sila kasi yung lumabas si Presidente Pinoy for the first time, nakatawa siya.
Oo.
Parang
ganun talagang-
ganyan talaga they did
Mukha
not.
niya.
But at that time, he already
Pangalawa,
said that he
dinrap
was
yung
sorry.
call, di ba? Tumatawag si, ano?
Yeah. You know, that was the first major incident. Yung August 23 last year was the first major incident, mga kapuso, against this administration. And the administration did not pass it.
Oo.
Di ba? You just pass it.
Although inako niya yung responsibilidad, di ba?
Yes, pero
Ng
you know,
Pangulo.
ano naman ang konsuelo sa mga biktima, sa mga pamilya ng biktima, kung merong rekomendasyon yung incident investigation.
Ang nasaktan pa sila, Maring Winnie, ang
Sino?
reaksyon ni Secretary Lacerda is, ayaw nilang madamay ang gobyerno natin sa politika sa Hong Kong dahil eleksyon yata ngayon.
It has, alam nyo,
Oh,
it has
tama ba
nothing
yung
to
ganung
do with
reaksyon?
election.
Oh.
It has to do with, this is a person-to-person thing. Yung mga
May
pamilya nyo,
patay, makiramay.
dito sa bahay ko, may nangyari. You know, in other words, it's the house of the Filipinos. It's here, right? May nangyari. You know, we're so sorry. Period. It has nothing to do with politics. It has to do with parang
Compassion. Diba?
It's compassion and just genuine sympathy. Because you know, let's face it, palpak yung nangyari yung ginawa natin.
Oo.
Well, not natin. Palpak yung ginawa ng mga supposed to be
Damay
negotiators,
tayo.
etc., etc. At saka, you know what, I still wonder, why is it that General Versosa was not even included? First name...
Siyempre.
Hindi pwede.
Sabi niya kasi hindi siya pabor ma-extend si Pangulong Gloria. Ito mo, kahit sa chopper, ang tagal bago siya tinanong. Ha?
Ay, naku.
Okay, Maring Winnie, maraming salamat.
Okay, babies.
Okay, Secretary, i-text mo na lang si Maring Winnie.
Ay,
Okay.
ano nangyari ron?
Dalawang beses na.
I was really looking forward to talking to him because ako believe sa kanya. But, you know, nang ginawa niya kay Duterte, medyo soft na naman. Hoy, pwede ba, Secretary Robredo? You don't have to talk to us, but please, a
Okay.
little bit more firmness.
Yan, okay. Kaya minsan nadulas ako Secretary Jessa Good morning po, Jessa. Okay, maraming salamat. Okay, unang balita na Maring Winnie.
Ang mga unang balita